quite literally been doing a million things. Well, maybe not quite literally, but you know what I mean. A lot of things on the house, in the yard, and that kind of stuff, so I kind of just wanted to go and peek. Right now, homie is pressure washing our fence because we are going to be restaining it. Because I'm pretty sure the last time that happened was when this house was built and they just did a quick, you know, just a quick swipe, and it's very, yeah, it needs attention badly. So he's out there cleaning it right now, but I just wanted to kind of take the camera all around and show you what the backyard looks like now. In order to see what it looked like before, you're going to have to watch other vlogs from like a year ago or something, because I don't think I've really gone in the backyard much. But it's a total change. It's pretty barren, but we're getting it prepped and ready for some exciting things to come. We are going to be putting in an above-ground pool that our in-laws have given us. So we're going to be putting a pool that's going to cover quite a bit of our backyard. And then we're going to figure out what to do with some landscaping. Thank goodness for having the Sims games, because I'm going to kind of plot everything out so we can see what it looks like. But anyways, let's go take a jaunt and I'll show you my backyard. So my homie is still outside pressure washing. It takes quite a bit of time, but I wanted to kind of go out there and show you the difference after the boards have been washed and before the boards have been washed. It is crazy. They almost look like brand new boards. It looks like a brand new fence to me. We're still gonna end up staining it though, because it definitely needs it, especially for this coming winter. But yeah, I just wanted to show you real quick, so I'm gonna go out there and I'll probably put some music because it's gonna be really loud out there. So my mom and dad had an overabundance of kale. Let me show you. Huge bag here, guys. Look at this. It's chock full of fresh, from the garden, kale. And I am turning it into little bits and pieces like this. I'm going to blanch it and then I'm going to freeze it. And I'm gonna have some for myself and I'm gonna give some back to my parents so that we can make soup or something else with it. But that's one of my huge projects I've got going right now. Ty got home from school and he made something out of just some bits and pieces he found on the floor. So I want him to explain and show you what he did.
Okay, so what I did is I made a dragonfly. What I did is I found a mechanical pencil pieces. I found an eraser connected to the big part, and then I found just a broken off part. So then I just put them into there. I put staples for the dragonfly, and then I used pencils to make the pencil to make the eyes.
Let me see it. Just like turn it around. No, keep it back that way. So there we go. It was out of focus. All right, let me see. Just turn it all around so you can see it. Isn't that cute? He's so inventive, this one. Aren't ya? My DXRacer. Look! Ta-da! Check it out, check it out. That box, by the way, is seriously heavy.
I'm not surprised.
I had to pretty much push it up and over and drag it in the house. The FedEx guy didn't stick around long, he left it. Oh my, they must really pack it in there good. Oh yeah, someone's being manly. Look at that, just tearing my box. Watch out, dog. This is entertaining. Yay!